Are 24 and 36 coprime? What are coprime numbers? When two numbers have no common prime factors, they are coprime. So, if you can find even one common factor between the two, except one, they are not coprime numbers. To solve, we first do prime factorization of 24 by factor tree method. We get 24 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then we do prime factorization of 36 by factor tree method. We get 36 equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Let us see the prime factors side by side. Do you see any common prime factors? Of course. 2, 3 are common prime factors, so they are not coprime. 24 and 36 are not coprime.